Hi, grade 5. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will start the new syllabus in your book, your English new syllabus book, grade 5. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, I will start your book English, the new syllabus, Unit 1. Today, the book hasn't name up till now, but this is the new syllabus English, grade 5. In the previous videos, I start the two lessons in grade 4 and grade 6, the books that are available up till now. Okay, until the rest of the grades it will be available. If we have another syllabus, I will explain later. Today, this is the grade 5 new syllabus. The first unit in this book, it will be food, nature, and culture. Let's go to know more about this topic. Life along the Nile. I think we took this before in Discover. I think so. What kinds of animals and plants live in the river Nile? Today, we are talking about the animals and plants that live in the Nile, okay? Here we have water, weeds, we have hunt, we have the river Nile, we have crocodile, and this is a new vocab here in this part. Here we have the words and we have sentence. We put the suitable word in the suitable place. There are many rivers around the world. The space is one of the longest rivers in the world. As we know, you can remember me, we took it in English, in Connect before, and in Discover. It will be the Nile. It's home of many different animals. Space are strong and dangerous. What is the strong and dangerous animals that live in Nile? It will be here crocodiles. Crocodiles. Let's go to another sentence. They space large animals in or near the small water, in or near the water. It will be they what? They space they hunt. They hunt large animals. They hunt large animals in or near the water. Small fish in the river eat what? Eat water weeds. Eat water weeds. Water weeds. What is the water weeds? We see you in the picture in the previous part. Okay, birds eat what? Small fish, and plants near the river eat insects. Insects, small fish. Insects, small fish, and plants near the river. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Today, I will start the unit by 2 lessons. Next class, I will continue. Let's go to another one here. Here we have where life flows. Let's read this text and answer the question below. Ahmed and Layla are talking about life in the Nile River. We have here, we say River Nile, not Nile River, but we live as it. We say River Nile. It's the correct statement of this sentence to be the River Nile. Ahmed, look at the small fish in the Nile River. They are so colorful. Layla, yes. Do you know the small fish eat plants in the water? So here, small fish eat plants. What is this plant? Water weeds. So these are called water weeds. That is interesting. What about birds? What do they eat? Layla, birds eat small fish, insects, and even plants near the river. Ahmed, wow, what about big fish? They eat smaller fish, insects, and tiny creatures in the water. Ahmed, and crocodiles, what do they eat? They eat fish, birds, and sometimes larger animals that come near the water. Ahmed, huge crocodiles are scary. Why scary or dangerous? Do any animals hunt them? Not really. They are the kings of Nile. It's amazing how all animals in the river find food to survive. Each animal plays an important role. That's why we must protect the river. So I think we took this the same in grade 4 in science. I think we took something similar like that. Okay, what do small fish look like? Small fish here look like what? Look like what here? Colorful. So here it will be here colorful. What do crocodiles eat? Let's know crocodiles eat what? Here, crocodiles eat what? As we know here during the text, eat. They eat fish, birds, and larger and sometimes larger animals. So the crocodiles eat fish, birds, and sometimes larger animals. Which animals eat both plants and insects without thinking? Birds, as we know here. Okay, as we know here, birds. Birds eat what? It's both plants and insects in the river Nile. Plants and insects. Here we have bird, insects, and it's insect and plant and small fish. Why do need to protect the Nile? Why we will need to protect the Nile to help us to, because the Nile is the so is the is because the Nile help the people to survive. So here because they play important role to survive. Okay, not to protect the many channel to the we must so we need to protect the river Nile to survive. Okay, to survive. Let's go to another one here. Match the words of the picture. Crocodiles. Which one crocodiles here? This one by this one. So I select this by this. River Nile, this one. Hunt, this one. So this is the crocodile. They want to hunt what? They want to hunt rabbit. Okay. I think we took the last year in science. I no, we took this year. We will take the hunting of animals and how the animals, everyone depend on each other. I think so. We will take it. We will take this next second term. I think so. Because my daughter took this in science last year. Today is this year. My daughter in grade 6. We took it in grade 5. So in the second term, we will take in science the animals and every animal that depend on other one and eat each other. Okay. Here we have this is the rabbit and this is the crocodile, and the crocodile want to hunt the rabbit to eat it. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is water weeds. Which water weeds? This one. Here we say crocodiles are hunted by many animals. No, it's false. Why? Because they the king of the king of river Nile. The Nile River is not important for both animals. Here it will be false because it's important. Because what help us to survive. Small fish in the Nile eat water wheels. Yes, it will be here true. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have crocodiles are kings of the river Nile. Yes, here it will be here true. Here it will be here too. Big fish in the river Nile eat big animals. Big fish eat big animals, as we know here. No, I think big fish in the river Nile eat big animals. Let's go to this one. Eat big animals. Big fish eat big animals. Big big fish. Big fish eat big animals. Here is say big fish in the river Nile eat big animals. No, the big fish eat smaller animals, not big animals, smaller animals. So here it will be here false. This it will be here false. Here it will be here true. Small fish eat wolves. Yes, it's true. River Nile is not important. No, false, because it's important for both. Crocodiles are hunted by many animals. It's false. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, if we were a small fish, what here is discuss with your classmates. So here we have a project, and we do it with your classmate. If we were a small fish, what would we be hardest think of living the Nile? Name things that live in the Nile. What can do help the Nile clean and safe? By not throwing the garbage in the Nile. I think so. This is something that we do to protect our Nile and to keep our Nile clean. And we till that we must put a obligation for the factories to don't to throw their garbage on the Nile. Let's go to lesson 2. Continue the rest of the today. As we told you that in this unit, I will give you 2 lessons only to understand and to study what we will take this video. Food in the hot desert. Let's read this text and answer the question below. Here we have, what animals do you think live in desert? Well, here we have animals, and animals live in desert. We can guess with each other. Okay, I know here we give you a question to guess and make your mind without thinking. What is the animals desert? I am listening. You say Miss Iman, camels. I'm saying Miss Iman, fennec fox. We took fennec fox in grade 4, I think so, in science. Snakes. So this is the animals of the desert. Yes. So I select this one. So no, this is wrong and this wrong. So the correct answer to be camels, snakes, and foxes. Okay, and especially the fennec fox. Okay, especially the fennec fox. Let's go to another one here. Let's continue that. There is animals in the desert. The desert is hot and dry, but many animals live there. Snakes often eat small animals like rats or lizards. Camels live in the desert too. They eat plants to stay strong. Lizards eat insects which give them energy. Some animals hide under rocks to stay cool during the day. Others, like owls, come out at night. So owls live in desert, and as we know that each eye is white and light in the night. Why? Because they live in the desert, and we must see the hunters, the animals that we hunted. Okay, that we hunt. Okay, so the owl's eyes must be white and light at the night. Others, like owls, come out at night when it's cooler. Each animal has an important role in the desert. They help nature stay in balance. So the animals living, as we know, during when we learn the river Nile, that animals eat each other at the important role to help them to survive in Nile. And in desert, every animal have an important role to make the nature balance and to survive. That's often eat small fish like what or lizards, rats, hippos, camels, lions. As we know here during the text, to be here rats. So I select this one. Camels eat space, plants, insects, birds, lizards. Eat what here? Eat plants. So I select this one. Insects give results. Insects give results what? Insects give results what? Energy. So insects give result energy. So he eat the insect, and insects give result energy to move. Each animal in the desert has an space rule, an important rule. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, discuss with your classmates. Here is the question, and we make something like project with your friends in your classmates to answer this question. What other animals can live in desert? So we can say fennec fox. I can say camels. I can say snakes. I can say we have many animals live in. We have resorts. All these animals live in desert. Yes. Here we talk about the present simple tense, and I'm bored from talking about the present tense. Today we talk about the present simple tense. We took it in grade 4, we took it in grade 3, we took it in grade 1, and I think now we keep it. Okay, I know that you are keep it like me. Okay, here we say this is the adverb of frequency. As we know, the present simple tense. I would like to repeat with me. The present simple tense used to describe action happens to describe habits and facts are clever pupils. So the action, the habits, here we have the action. When we use always, action always means the action happens in 100%. Never means the action doesn't happen at all. So the action happens in 100%. We use always. When the action doesn't happen, so it will be here 0%. This is called adverbs of frequency, and this adverb of frequency we use it with what? Used with the simple tense. Here we have we say snakes never eat plants. So here when we put the keywords of adverb frequency, I put it in between the subject and the verb like this. Snakes never eat plants. The results are sometimes dangerous. Let's go to do this in this spot. So here we have put the words in the correct answer to form a sentence. As we told you before that we have a rule: subject plus verb plus object. We say, Miss Iman, we put it here in this sentence. Yes, we must use this sentence must write this rule to answer this question. So here we say desert. Animals, to be animals, desert, animals, desert, really animals, desert, really find food, animals, desert, to be desert animals, really find food, desert, to be here desert animals, desert animals. I talk about desert animals. Really, here is really find food. Really find food. Okay, this is the question. This is the rearrange of this is the order of this sentence. Desert animals really find food. Let's go to another one here. Here is camels. Always. Store water. Store animals. Camels always store water. Store water in their bodies. Store water in their bodies. Water in their bodies. In their bodies. In their bodies. Let's go to another one here. Here we say camels what? Here 90%. 90% means the action is here is the habit. 90% means here sometimes. I think so. 90% means sometimes. Here's 90%. Usually, no, it will be here usually. Sometimes means 50%. Usually. Never. Here is it will be here usually. But I think in the exam don't give you the percent and write the adverb of frequency. In the exam we give the adverb of frequency to correct the verb. I think so, not giving you a percent. Next here, never. Why I say here never? Because here, as we told you, that transaction happened in what? In 0%. So it will be here now. Okay, let's go to another item here. So here I stop here in unit, in lesson 2. Next class, I will start lesson 3. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today, and I would like to know if you want to know more about our lesson today about the Nile River animals or the desert animals. You can look in you can search the Google about these animals to have more information. We aren't start our syllabus as we are in academic year. You can know more and more about this topic to be able to have more information and to understand more and more. Okay, today I stop here in lesson 2. The next class I will continue. I start lesson 3 and continue the rest of the unit. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.